The murder of Hamilton's Tim Bosma continued to be the focus of an appeal hearing today, with the Crown responding to convicted killer Dellen Millard, who said his trial was unfair. Sean Cowan brings us the latest.
Today, the Crown responded to Millard's claims. Yesterday, the convicted killer spoke in court for more than 2 hours, saying he was characterized unfairly during his trial. Millard is representing himself before the Ontario Court of Appeal in the murder convictions of Tim Bosma, Laura Babcock, and his own father. His co-accused, Mark Smich, is also appealing.
I do not believe either of them have a chance in their appeals. Now, Smich would have a better chance. I would place Millard at 0 chance. And if I was to say what I believe Smich's chance were, I would say slim to none, and even that I think would be generous.
Yesterday, Millard spent 2 hours asking why he would be so sloppy and careless if he had planned to kill 32-year-old Bosma. Today, the Crown reviewed evidence that was presented in the original trial, including the relationship between Millard and Smich, the gun that was used, and information about the incinerator.
Ultimately, even if there was a legal error in the judge's instruction, it has to be determined that because of that error, there was a miscarriage of justice, that something would have been different. But based on the overwhelming evidence that was presented at trial by the Crown Attorney, we're talking forensic evidence based on the remains of Tim Bosma being found around the incinerator, them locating Tim Bosma's truck on Dellen Millard's mother's property with firearm residue and with blood, as well as various utterances and other forms of evidence. It's a strong case.
Millard is also appealing his convictions in the deaths of his own father and Laura Babcock. The appeal continues tomorrow. Sean Cowan, CHCH News.